Hi students, welcome back to the class 9. Example, find the value of log I or express log I in the form of a plus ib. Here we have to express log I in the form of a plus ib. First take I. I can be written as 0 plus I equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. That can be written as r into e power I theta. Calculate r. R is square root of a square plus b square. This is a plus ib form. 0 plus 1 is 1. R value 1. Next, we have to find the value of theta. Theta can be calculated by using the formula tan inverse of b by a. Tan inverse of b value 1, a value 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Tan inverse of infinity is 5 by 2. Or we can calculate 0 equals r cos theta equals 0. R value 1, cos theta equals 0, theta equals pi by 2, r sin theta equals 1, r value 1, sin theta equals 1, theta equals pi by 2. Therefore, I equals r into e power I theta becomes 1 into e power I pi by 2. I equals e power I pi by 2. Okay, log I equals log of e power I pi by 2 equals I pi by 2 into log e to the base e. The value of log e to the base e is 1. Therefore, log I equals I pi by 2. This is principal value. Log I equals I pi by 2 plus 2n pi. This is general value. I pi plus 2 into 2, 4n pi I divided by 2. Or take I pi common, 1 plus 4n divided by 2 equals I into 1 plus 4n into pi by 2. This is log I. Now, we have to calculate log of log I. So, apply log on both sides. Log of log I equals log of I into 1 plus 4n 5 by 2. Log AB form. Log A plus log B. Log I plus log of 1 plus 4n 5 by 2. Log I plus log of 1 plus 4n 5 by 2 plus 2n pi I. This is general value. This is principal value. Okay, log I value I pi by 2 plus this is as it is. Okay, in these two terms LCM is 2 I pi plus 2 into 2 4n pi I plus last term. Okay, in these two terms 1 plus 4n 1 I pi by 2 is common. Remaining term is 1 plus 4n plus log of 1 plus 4n 5 by 2. Or we can write log of 1 plus 4n 5 by 2 plus I into 1 plus 4n 5 by 2. This is of the form a plus ib. This is real part, this is imaginary part. Next example, show that sin of I log of 1 plus sin theta minus I cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta plus I cos theta is real. Solution, let 1 plus sin theta plus I cos theta equals r into cos alpha plus sin alpha equals r into e power I alpha. 1 plus sin theta plus I into cos theta equals r cos alpha plus I into r sin alpha. Now equating the real and imaginary parts, r cos alpha equals 1 plus sin theta and r sin alpha equals cos theta. R sin alpha divided by r cos alpha equals cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, tan alpha equals cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta minus I cos theta equals r into e power minus I alpha. Consider sin of I log of 1 plus sin theta minus I cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta plus I cos theta equals sin I log of this value is 1 plus sin theta minus I cos theta is r into e power minus I alpha. 1 plus sin theta plus I cos theta is r into e power I alpha. If it goes to numerator, it becomes negative. Sin I log of e power minus 2 alpha. Sin of I log of this one Log a power b is b log a, same. Minus 2i alpha log e to the base e. The value of log e to the base e is 1. Sine of I minus 2i alpha. I into I square minus 2i square alpha. Sine of minus 2 I square value minus 1 into alpha. Minus minus plus sine 2 alpha. Sine 2 alpha can be expressed as in terms of tan 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha equals, we know that the value of tan alpha is cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus tan square alpha, cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta whole square. 2 cos theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus cos square theta, 1 plus sin square theta. LCM is 1 plus sin theta whole square. So 1 plus sin theta whole square plus cos square theta whole divided by 1 plus sin theta whole square. Numerator is as it is. Numerator is same. Expand this a plus b whole square. 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus cos square theta divided by 1 plus sin theta whole square. Next 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta whole square. 2 cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 sin theta. Take 2 common. We have 1 plus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus sin theta whole square. 2 cos theta 1 plus sin theta into, it becomes reverse, 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by 2 into 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta whole square, 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta get cancelled, 2 get cancelled equals cos theta, which is purely real number.